Real quick video. I'm going to have to change one of my camp out get-togethers. This one right here was supposed to happen on July 10th and 11th. I was going to get there on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and it was going to be 3 hours cleanup. You come, you show up, you do 3 hours cleanup. I will supply the drinks. There'll be a few other surprises, and there's going to be at least a first and second prize giveaway. You have to put in the 3 hours cleanup. It's going to be covering graffiti using KoverKote. If you have an old paintbrush, bring it. I only have one brush, unfortunately. But I'll bring trash bags. Joey will bring trash bags. If you need gloves, use gloves. There's a river right there you can wash your hands in. But bring a tent. No campfires. Bring a tent. Whatever you want to use to camp, or just come for the day. But the drawing is only for the people who put in at least 3 hours cleanup. I did a video previous. There'll be a link in the details. It'll be this one, cleaning up the North Fork. It's going to be on the North Fork. And I'm going to have to move it to July 30th, 31st, August 1st. That's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 30th, 31st, and August 1st. 3 days. I will get there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're going to, it's on the North Fork, Azusa Canyon. You drive up, just like you're going to Crystal Lake. You'll pass the East Fork. If you have any other questions, refer to this video. I'll put a link in the details with full instructions. You're going to drive up Azusa Canyon, which is Highway 39. Go up. You're going to pass the East Fork. Keep going. Keep going past the White Bridge. Past Recon. Look at your map. Past Recon. Past West Fork. Now from there, you're going to drive up less than a mile. Less than a half a mile. You're going to go past where all the people camp and throw all the trash right there. You're going to go up to where there's a dumpster on the left, there's a dumpster on the right, and there's a yellow gate. You will see my truck there, you will see all the other cars there. There's room for about 14, maybe 16 cars. Other than that, you're going to park further up the road or back behind. But you only have to walk, I would say, 3 minutes from your car. You go down a hill, you're there. First we're going to clean up, then we're going to do graffiti cover up, then we'll set up. I will get there Friday. Anybody wants to get there Friday? Great. That'll be Friday the 30th. And if not, you can come in the 31st, Saturday. Stay all day. If you do the 3 hours cleanup, you don't necessarily have to stay. Do the 3 hours cleanup, and you'll be in the drawing. I got some really cool prizes. If you do stay, there's no campfires, there's no rings there. It's not a set camp place, it's a backpacking campground. Rangers know we're going to be there. They helped me pull the trash out last time. Two of them may even attend, but they will be driving by. You're totally visible from the road. There are no campfires. No ifs, ands, or buts. No firearms. Don't bring any firearms. Don't bring any drugs. Don't make any trouble, please. And we'll have a great time. You can go on to the forestry website. You can find this yourself. If you can't find this, then you probably can't find the campground. Find the forestry for San Gabriel Mountains. Go on there. Fire permit, watch the little video, answer a few questions. You got your fire permit for your stove. You need a fire permit for a stove. You take a picture of it, it's good. Bring your phone, put your phone on airplane mode so the battery lasts when you get up there. And if range says, where's your fire permit? There it is. Or you can print it out if you have a printer. I don't have a printer. So, this one that was supposed to happen on the 10th and 11th, it's going to be moved to the 31st and the 1st. It's going to be moved 3 weekends ahead. Can't control what happened but it happened. So now's your chance. Jump on board, help clean up the forest, win some prizes, meet a bunch of people, have some good food, bring something you can get in the water. The water's clean right there. We cleaned the river up really good last time. Unfortunately, between now and then, they may mess it up, but we'll get right back out there and we'll wipe it back out. So I hope to see you there. Sorry for the inconvenience, and we'll have a good time. Thanks for watching.